Hello there guys, and welcome to the review on the D-91 battery operated airsoft gun. So when you receive your gun, it's going to look like this in the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the lid off, place that aside, and once you get inside you're going to see that it has this nice instruction manual here. Now don't be scared that the instructions are actually about the D-90, which is the P90 version of this. All the internals and basically all the stuff is exactly the same, so battery connections, magazines, sort of things like that, it's all very similar. So if you have any problems you should be able to consult the manual and that should give you a few answers. So inside the box you have a small bag of 6mm 0.12 gram BBs. They look pretty average quality. You could use them, but I would recommend going ahead and buying some good quality ones off the website. Next up you have the magazine, which doesn't actually hold the BBs, it is the battery holder. So there's that. You simply charge this up with the charger that's provided as well. It's got the large type connections, so if you already have a charger you can use that too. So there's the charger and there's the battery. Then you get this sling in here, 2-point sling, very nice. Nice little accessory they chuck in, and then you have the gun itself. If we can just take this out of the box. There we go. So once you get it out of the box, just dust it down from all the polystyrene bits. And here you go, here's the gun itself, and underneath the gun you have a sort of unjamming rod / cleaning rod, so that's always, you know, pretty handy to have if your gun ever experiences a jam. So here's the gun. It's pretty decent. Comes in with an FPS of 210, which, you know, it's respectable. It's not the greatest in the world, but you know, you sort of trade FPS with the capacity for full automatic fire. And speaking of fully automatic fire, it will shoot 400 rounds per minute. So, you know, quite a decent rate of fire on this as well. Construction wise, it is totally made of an ABS plastic. Nice orange ABS plastic, not painted. It's manufactured to be orange. Very nice build quality actually. It feels quite solid, you know, not too shaky. There's a few rattly bits, but that is mainly just the metal sling hooks bouncing against there. Feels pretty solid, and has this extendable stock right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply pull this down like so. That's going to release it from there. Then that's going to swing this out, lock that in place there, pull up to the top. That's going to lock in place pretty solidly there, and that pulls out to here. So that gives you more capability to put it in the shoulder and get going. Dusting off some more of that polystyrene still. So reloading the magazine with this is very simple. All you need to do is take the slide at the top here, pull that back to the rear, take your pouring pot and simply pour the BBs in the top like so. It's very easy. They are gravity fed, so you might get a few times when you'll shoot the gun and a BB won't come out. That's just a feeding issue that a lot of gravity fed guns do have, but take a couple more shots and I'm sure they'll work fine. Also comes with a working safety, so if we swing it around like this you can see that at the moment it's on fire, which means you can squeeze the trigger and pull the trigger back, and then you're going to go ahead and pop that on safe, and that means you can't squeeze it back all the way. So, you know, very decent so far. Now we're going to go ahead and just plug in the battery, show you how to do that, and give you a small example of the rate of fire you can expect. So when you're plugging in the battery, just look in the bottom of the gun here and you're going to be able to pull out the connector. Just attach the male and female connectors together. Make sure you line them up properly. And push them in like so. Then just tuck the connection away like that. Take the magazine here and line it up so the groove on the magazine with the 2 dots compared to the one dot on the slit. Make sure the one dot over here and the little slit down there is on the right hand side and the two dots is on the left. We can just get this in like so. So what this is going to do is this groove here is going to line up with the catch, and you're just going to slide it in, and that's going to stay in there nice and firmly. When you want to release it, you just go ahead and press the catch here, and that's going to slide back out. So now we're going to give you a small example of fully automatic fire. Now the battery hasn't been charged all the way, so it will be a slightly bit slower than what you can expect from yours, but nevertheless, here we go. So as you can see, fires pretty quick. That is the 400 rounds a minute there. Sounds to me like it's just over. So you know, you should have some fun with just spraying your mates with this, or using it for target practice. So overall, very decent gun. If you're looking to start out and get into the world of electric sort of AEGs compared to spring rifles and things like that, then this is a good starting point along with the D-90. They both have the same sort of internals and the same sort of FPS range sort of thing. You're looking at a range on this of around 20 to 30 meters, by the way. So you know, pretty decent gun, nice build quality, not too bad for the money. It's on the website now along with the .12, which I would recommend for this. .20 gram ammunition as well if you want to improve your accuracy. Gas if you own gas guns, or any other sort of accessories such as assault vests, holsters or ghillie suits. So head on over to the website. I've been Steve, and I'll see you guys next time.